Hello students, once more S B Mishra. I am going to teach you trigonometry for class 11 students. Actually, these videos for class 11 students is being made for the students of Gyan Niketan. Nowadays in Gyan Niketan, the trigonometry is running in the Zoom classes. So these videos are especially made for those students who belong to Gyan Niketan. Otherwise, you all can go through the video, you can like the video, you can subscribe the video, or whatever, you can share the video among all those who are the students of class 11. This is the general study of trigonometry. So this is the first problem of the day. Sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x plus sin 7x is equal to 4 sin 3x cos 2x into cos x. In the left side, the sum is available, but in the right side, the product is available. So I am going to use two formulas, sin c plus sin d and cos c plus cos d. Sometimes these two formulas will answer the question successfully. Now we make the pair first, x and 7x. Both the sum is 8x, and the sum of the two middle term 3x and 5x is also 8x. Now writing big first, the big first means 7x first, then x. After that 5x first, then 3x. If you are writing big first, not necessary, but if you are writing big first and the small second, then it will be easy to add c plus d and subtract c minus d. That's why I have written the pair. How we select the pair? Just see the students. 5 and 3 makes 8x, and 7x and x makes 8x. So this is the selection. Write big first. After that, 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. This formula has been used. And plus again the same formula, 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Now simplify to get 2 sin 4x cos 3x plus 2 sin 4x cos x. Now take common, 2 sin 4x is common, being taken common. This is 2 sin 4x, 2 sin 4x being taken common. We are left with cos 3x and cos x. After that, we use the formula of cos c plus cos d. Cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So this is, on simplification we get this. Finally, these two 2's when multiplied gives 4. So 4 sin 4x cos 2x cos x, right hand side proved successfully. Now I am moving toward the second problem of the day. To do the problem of the day, you must be knowing first of all three formula: 2 sin A into cos B. 2 sin A cos B. This is sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. 2 sin A into cos B. Then second formula, 2 cos A into cos B. This is cos A minus B plus cos A plus B. Next formula, 2 sin A into sin B. Is equal to cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. So these three referred formula. After that, the second problem is being started of the day. So the second problem is to evaluate or to find sin 8x cos x. Sin 8x cos x. This is second number question. Sin 8x cos x minus sin 6x cos 3x. Divided by cos 2x cos x minus sin 4x sin 3x. Evaluate this. Whatever the result will come, we will see at the end. Evaluate. We are going to evaluate this. Second number question. Now in the formula, in the product of two trigonometric function, 2 is required. If 2 is not available, you cannot use the formula. But here the product of two trigonometric functions are available at 4 places. First place, second place, third place, fourth place. But 2 is available nowhere. So at your own you will write 2. 2 yourself, write 2. After that, sin x cos x minus once more write 2 sin 6x cos 3x. Sorry, sin 6x cos 3x by again write 2 sin cos 2x cos x minus again write 2 sin 4x sin 3x. So children, just see the product of two trigonometric functions is passive. To make them active, we have multiplied everywhere by 2, numerator and denominator, no loss at all. No mathematical loss, no mathematical error. Now use the formula available to you. Just see 2 sin A into cos B. So this is equal to 2 sin A into cos B, sin A plus B. A plus B means at x plus x. At x plus x plus sin A minus B means at x minus x. Sin A plus B at x plus x plus sin A minus B whole bracket. In big bracket, keep it in big bracket. Next, minus. This is for this 2 sin A into cos B. Once more, 2 sin A into cos B. Sin A plus B. Sin A plus B means 6x plus 3x plus the same formula plus 2 sin A. Yeah. Yes, 2 sin A into cos B. 2 sin A into cos B. Sin A plus B. So sin 6x plus 3x. Sin 6x minus 3x. Big bracket closed, divided by, whole divided by. Again, for the denominator, we use 2 cos A into cos B formula. 2 cos A into cos B, cos A minus B, cos A minus B, 2x minus x, x plus cos A plus B, cos 2x plus x, minus continue. Minus again 2 sin A into sin B, 2 sin A into sin B is cos A minus B. Cos A minus B means cos 4x minus 3x. 4x minus 3x minus this minus 2 sin A into sin B, 2 sin A into sin B minus cos A plus B, cos 4x plus 3x, big bracket closed. Now go on simplification of numerator and denominator, children. So just see, this is sin 9x and break the bracket. Sin 9x plus sin 7x minus sin 9x, and this minus will make the positive negative, minus sin 3x. Now come to the denominator. Again, this is cos x plus cos 3x minus cos x, and this minus, once more this minus will make this positive, plus cos 7x. Now you are close to your answer. Sin 9x cancel and cos x cancel. So we are left with sin 7x minus sin 3x. Sin 7x minus sin 3x divided by cos 3x plus cos 7x. You can write cos 7x plus cos 3x. The student, writing big first will be helpful to you to apply the problem. Now sin c minus sin d, there is a formula. Once more I have discussed in the first question that what is the formula for sin c minus sin d. So let us recall your previous memory. Sin c minus sin d. Sin c minus sin d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Now for this cos c plus cos d, cos c plus cos d, this is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Now this formula is being used for this. So I am going to use the formula. On the basis of this top formula, I am going to break this. Sin 7x minus sin 3x, sin c minus sin d, 2 cos 7x plus 3x, 7x plus 3x by 2 into sin 7x minus 3x by 2, and the denominator is the last line, children. Cos c plus cos d, 2 cos 7x plus 3x, 7x plus 3x by 2 into cos 7x minus 3x by 2. Now see, 2 cancel each other, cos this cancel each other, so we are left with sin. So this is 7x minus 3x is 4x by 2 is 2x. Sin 2x by, this is cos 7x minus 3x, 4x by 2 is 2x. So this is cos 2x. So the final result is tan 2x. So this is the final evaluation proved, or this is the answer. This is proved, or you can say answer. So students, you have seen the second problem. Now I am moving towards the third problem of the trigonometry of class 11 students. So keep on watching and have a patience. Now this is the third number question. Sin x minus sin y. Sin y by cos x plus cos y is tan x minus y by 2. Children, the mathematics cannot be remembered. The problem cannot be remembered. That's why I am taking help sometimes from cheats. In the cheats, I have written the problems. It is necessary either the teacher of the mathematics will go through the book where the problems are there. Unless or until they write the problem, the answer is not possible. And remember one more thing, that mathematicians are expected to know the solution, not to know the question. Just after coming the question in front of them, they react. So that's why I may be taking help from the cheats or sometimes books if required to write the problems only, not for solution. So just see how this is conducted. Sin c minus sin d. There is a formula for sin c minus sin d. Once more, this is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. First formula, second formula, cos c plus cos d. Cos c plus cos d. This is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. These two formula will be used. Now just see, starting from LHS, the problem is very simple. Sin x minus sin y divided by cos x plus cos y. Just applying the formula, 2 cos x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2 whole divided by, now come to denominator, cos x plus cos y, use this formula 2 cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. Just see, these two cancelled. Now the same thing cancelled, so we are left with tan x minus y by 2. So this is proved RHS. So the solution is over proved. Now you will wait with patience. I am going to discuss the fourth problem. So just see students, fourth problem. This is sin x minus sin y cos x plus cos y. You have to move according to the formula. Sin c minus sin d cos c plus cos d. The two formula will be helpful to you to answer the question. The cancellation of terms are visible to you. Whatever you are left, sin by cos is tan and the angle remains same. So over, now moving toward the fourth problem, children, where the problem is fourth problem. Cos x plus cos y whole square plus sin x plus sin y whole square. The result is 4 cos square x minus y by 2. 4 cos square x minus y by 2. If the problems are asked, only then the mathematician reacts. Never think that they are the problem creator. The problem creator are the great people of mathematics are creating the problem. To create the problem, more time is required. So sometimes I am also in habit of creating problem, but at the moment I have to take help. This is the question. Now I am going to answer the question again. Cos c plus cos d, sin c plus sin d. Again I am going to use the two formula. One cos c plus cos d, sin c plus sin d. Sin c plus sin d. This is 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Likewise, cos c plus cos d. This is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Children, this method is available in the book. R.S. Agrawal is being followed in my institution. So I am not going to use this book. After going through the question, the students react. Why not a square plus 2ab plus b square, sir? Why not a square plus 2ab plus b square, sir? The same problem will be answered by this formula as well as by general trigonometrical facility. You know from class 10. So just LHS. Without using the formula, I am trying this. LHS. Without using the formula, I am trying to answer the question on the basis of class 7, 8, 9, 10 experience. Now, LHS is cos whole square. So, a square cos square x plus b square cos square y plus 2 cos x cos y. 2 cos x cos y plus similarly sin x plus sin y whole square is sin square x plus sin square y plus 2 sin x sin y. So students, this is the general a plus b whole square is known to all the students. So why not we are answering the question with the help of this. In the book, this sin c plus sin d and cos c plus cos d has been used. So I am neglecting this formula, trying to neglect this. See how the problem is answered. Now see, cos square x and sin square x makes 1. You know, cos square y and sin square y will make 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Write 2 plus. Now from this 2 and 2 take common the product of two trigonometric functions with 2. This is being taken common. So we are left with cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. So now this is 2 plus 2 cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. There is a famous formula earlier you may be knowing from class 10. In class 10, cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B are supposed to be verified. So the formula is cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B is equal to cos A minus B. This is one more formula, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B is equal to cos A minus B. In case of positive, for cos plus is replaced by minus. Now write this. This is cos x minus y by 2. Now 2 is common from both. 2 is being taken common from both. After 2 taken common from both, 1 is left plus cos x minus y by 2 is left. Now we are facing a lot of problem up to this stage. It is easy to do. Now what to be done earlier? This formula is not known to you till now. I have not taught this formula, but just see in the next exercise I will teach you this formula, the very urgent and important formula of trigonometry from multiple angle chapter. It will be helpful to you to answer many problems of differential and integral calculus. The formula is 1 plus cos 2x. 1 plus cos 2x. This is 2 cos square x. This is the formula. This formula I am going to use this. Now but in place of 2x this angle is available. So this is not easy to use the formula. Just see 1 plus cos x. Moving on the same pattern. Just you are looking that 2x becomes x. This becomes half. So x becomes x by 2. So this is 2 cos square x by 2. 2 cos square x by 2. The students remember that the angle, this is the main formula, In the main formula, 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. I will be teaching you in the future this formula when multiple angle will be started. Now just take it as granted. After 2x becomes x, 1 plus cos x minus y by 2. At the same time, this 2 remain 2. Sorry students, here is a mistake. The formula is cos x into cos y plus sin x into sin y is cos x minus y only. Simply this is cos x minus y, not x minus y by 2. Now this is correct. Now just see 1 plus cos x minus y. So write 1 plus cos x minus y. This formula 1 plus cos x minus y is equal to 2 cos square x minus y by 2. Whatever angle you will take, the half will be the response in RHS. Half will be response in RHS. So this is 2 into 2 cos square x minus y by 2. So finally we have proved this 4 cos square x minus y by 2 RHS. So students, one more method is available in the book. You can go through your book and just I am trying to finish it with one last 5th number question. This is very interesting and the part of fastest mathematics once more. Just see, remember this formula, sin 60 minus theta into sin theta into sin 60 plus theta This is equal to 1 by 4 sine 3 theta, triple angle. This is triple angle. If the pattern is available in this way, you can answer the question fastly. This is not the formula, this is man-made, created formula by the man, different people, for doing the problem fastly. Now the one more, cos 60 plus minus theta into cos theta into cos 60 plus theta. This is equal to same 1 by 4 cos 3 theta. Now see how these are helpful to do the various problems quickly. This is the most urgent in finite times VBI with infinite power. This question is very popular question of 11th standard, 5th number question I am going to discuss. This is the last question. Cos 20, cos 40, cos 60, cos 20, cos 40, cos 60, cos 80 is equal to 1 by 16. Very interesting, children. The solution is too long available in all the books, in all the Indian books, wherever you will go and from wherever you will collect. The solution of this question, this popular question, is very tough and long. Now see how fast you can answer the question. Just you know, cos 60 degree available to you. This is in LHS. LHS cos 60 degree is called 1 by 2. Now you have to set these causes according to this formula. How it will be set? This is the rule to set: big, small, bigger, big, small, bigger. Big. See, out of these three members, big. Who is the big? The big is cos 40. And the small is cos 20. And the bigger is cos 80. Very interesting technology. Students, you will be happy to know this, how fast you will be doing these problems. Now you are going to over the problem. This can be written as cos 60. Arrange on this pattern: 60 minus 20. 60 minus 20 is equal to 40. Then cos 20 into cos 60 plus 20. Now see, this is graph. This is according to the pattern available here in the second man-made formula. Now just see, this is 1 by 4 cos 3x, 1 by 4 cos 3 times theta. Theta is 50 degree. So I will use this formula. So finally 1 by 8 into cos 60 degree. So this is 1 by 8 into half is equal to 1 by 16. So you have seen how successfully the answer is conducted. Remember that this is the small, big, and the bigger. The bigger one should be kept in the last. The big should be kept first. The small should be in between. And you have to set according to this. Now I am going to over with the last problem, 6 number question last. The same pattern, 6 number question. It will be answered within a minute or two hardly. Sin 10, sin 50, sin 10, sin 50 into sin 60 into sin 70 equal to root 3 by 60. The students, just see, on the same pattern I am going to set it. Sin 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. So starting from LHS, this is root 3 by 2. After that, arrange according to instruction: big, small, bigger. So this is your small, big, bigger, small, big, bigger. So first of all, you have to set the big sin 50, then the small sin 10, sin 70. Now set according to the first pattern. This is root 3 by sin 60 degree minus 10 degree. 60 degree minus 10 degree gives after that sin 10, after that sin 60 plus 10. So students, just according to this pattern, the answer is 3 by 2 and 1 by 4 sin 3 theta. Theta is 10 degree here. So just see 3 by 8 into sin 30. So this is root 3 by 8 into sin 30 is half. So root 3 by 16 are just proved. So dear students, the last two problems, this you have to set according to instruction. You can answer the question fastly. This is very useful for the competitive examination. How fast you can think and how fast you can answer if you can set according to the two patterns. Thank you very much, students. We will meet back again. Try to like and share among all those who are the lover of mathematics. Thank you.